foxtail grass being the main source for everything. And stuff in the middle of that milkweed. Woo! It worked great, didn't it? Guess I've got a little bit of water in here heating up. Sean and I are going to play with these instant Hansen Canton chow mein extra hot chili flavor. We'll see how she is. Oh, and for y'all who aren't keeping track,
14.
15. Year 15 for this one. You know what they always say, don't buy these, they don't last. Yeah, it's a little beat up, yeah, it's a little warped. And I absolutely love this thing.
Mine like that I've had since 2012.
And nothing wrong with it.
Nope.
Right now, what Sean's got is that's part of his, and this, say Czechoslovakian Army surplus thing. And then he has this for the lid for his mess kit. They all fit together, it's gorgeous. He's got one of those, Jeff's got one. One of these days I may break down and buy me one too. I like them. I just really like what I carry.
Well, the Stanley mess kits are nice because they are thinner.
Right, it's all one, you betcha.
And well, this you got to carry in your pack, and you know I've got this bungee strap that holds it all together.
I just didn't pack my Stanley, or I would have used it. So what we're doing is bringing that water to a rolling boil, and then we're going to start cooking our noodles. So in most ramens, you're going to boil the noodles and do other things. These, we got these packets here. We're going to tear this open into the pan here. That's some oil. This is soy sauce. Okay. We've reached a nice boil, and I'll dump in my noodles. We go for 3 minutes. I'm going to open my soy sauce and add it. We're going to add my seasoning. Yes, this is by the package directions. This that stuff boil nicely. And then we're going to mix all this up into whatever.
Paste.
Yeah. A little more effective. Oh, I almost grabbed that hot piece of wood with my fingers. That probably wouldn't have been a very smart move.
You can't get away with that.
I can get away with it. I just can't. I'll pay a price for it. So would you.
I just wouldn't feel it.
Yeah. I, on the other hand, would feel it. I ought to put this closer to the fire. Because the oil is pretty much set up like margarine. But we're going to see how truly warm this stuff is. They talk like it's warm.
Well, I can tell you how it compares against that 2x spicy, hottest ramen shit you can get.
Right, we'll find out. Well, you are still legend for the bugles.
Oh yeah, that was fun. Bugles and Megadeth.
Bugles filled with Megadeth. Now, since the camera's rolling, I'm going to mention that before we sat down and did all this stuff, Sean and I, well, we had a chance to eat before we started fishing and playing around. And Sean already ate half of a foot-long sub, so he's not exactly hungry. So he won't stop eating because of the heat. He's just not.
I'm too full to keep eating.
But he's going to try it with me, so. And like I said, he tried the one that's supposed to be really, really hot. I haven't tried it yet. You know what I really need, don't you? My hot pad. Because I'm not in the mood to burn the hell out of my hand. For some reason. It'll work. Piece of cardboard. This was pretty much the same idea. Just something to add a little
Insulation.
insulation. Okay, so now we are supposed to drain the noodles. Another thing about that Stanley, it has a
Yeah.
straining lid. That's probably dry enough. I did burn my finger earlier doing something.
I did that the other day.
I remember it and I can feel it now.
I was taking some out of the oven, hit that opening on the
Oh, yeah.
oven mitt.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's all mixed in. Some of the stuff you see that's really hot looks colorful enough to be really hot.
Yeah, that 2X spicy stuff's got a red tint.
Yeah.
And this stuff doesn't seem to have much color to it. Overly, anyway.
Alright. Let me see. I'll give it a try. Woohoo.
Get you in frame here.
Try that again. Try and get some, as much color as I can. Wait, I'm going, here, let me have the camera.
Okay.
Sean, remember, Sean's had the stuff supposed to be super hot. So we're going to have him compare the two.
Get this down here where there's a little bit of the liquid. Oh.
I've had potato chips way hotter.
Yeah, the ramen I make at home, I add probably about a tablespoon and a half of cayenne pepper to it.
Mm-hmm.
This is even as hot as I'd say it is the cup of ramen, spicy hot cup of ramens. Nowhere near that.
No, it's nothing. So,
Yeah, it tastes fine.
but as far as something that's hot, that you're wanting to just, you know, say, ooh, I'm macho, look at me. This would really work great until somebody else tried it.
Yeah.
So, it's not hot, guys. So if you're interested in something and you want to try something, so somebody goes, oh, we need something hot, prove it. Or they want you to look tough, do it, eat this, and let them think you're really tough, because trust me, you don't have to be. All right, we just wanted to do that. That's fun. And look at all that nice charcoal forming down there. Willow, we can do good stuff with it. We can make black powder. Woohoo!